YouTube. Yeah, I wanted to get a video up about the compact bender I bought from Harbor Freight. I got a pretty good deal on it with 20% off coupon. I think it come out to just under $68. It's normally $85. So I can't beat that for what it is. The instructions with this thing, terrible. It does show you how to get these screws and mount and all that fun stuff, but using the right angle bender isn't very clear. It just shows a little picture of it sticking in there, and it took a little while to figure out. And the videos I looked up on this, they weren't very clear either. One or two of them were, but I wanted to get a little better one up. So you take your handle, you got your holes where the pin goes. I don't know what this little one's for, unless it's put a pin in to bend something around to make an eyelet or something, but you got these two holes here. This is the first one's usually your pivot point on here. One of your long pins goes in there. That gives you your swivel. So when you use the 90-degree bender, run it into the second hole there, get your long pin in there, just like that. Your handle goes to the right. I got that out there. It also comes with a spacer to hold up your block so it don't hit the handle when you bend. You use it with the 90-degree bender too. So if you've got your handle like that, 90 degree from this pivot point, you go back 3 holes, which maybe I'll see there. At the 1, 2, 3, that's where your spacer goes. Sorry about the lighting, it sucks. So I can get a little better light on here. There we go, now you can see it. There we go, got it in the 3rd hole. 1, 2, 3. Then take your 90-degree bending tool. Looks like that. Goes in just like that. Flat side facing the left side out. Set it on top of your spacer. Then you got the little hole, then you go 1, 2. So you got the second biggest hole. And use your other long pin. Down in there, lock it in there. So it'll pivot a little bit there. And this pin becomes your fulcrum point for your bend. And when you stick it in here to bend, that's what the handle, that's what it's going to hold it right there at that pin. You can go in this way, or you can come in from the back side. And if it's all the way to the right, and you remember that, it goes straight in. Then you take your short pin, and I put the roller in here, set the short pin in, get it in. That helps with friction, whatever. Guys, take a flat stock, make sure you keep it level when you get it in there, or square, unless you want an angled bend. Slide it straight in from the front. Get enough back here to where you catch your fulcrum point. And depending on how big a bend you want, you bring it around, make sure it's flush. That looks pretty good there. Move the camera a minute. Move that back here. you can see. And you just do your bend. Didn't get quite 90 degrees on it. Yeah, it's a little past 90, but you get the idea. So recap, make sure you get everything lined up. Handle goes in the second hole. Use long pin. Get in there. Put your spacer in here on the third hole. There's 1, 2, 3. Stupid light. Sorry about that. Here you got your second hole. Third hole for the spacer. 90-degree tool. So it's in there like that, the flat side to the left. Take your other long pin, second hole. Our second largest hole. Drop your pin in, get it locked in, you're good to go that way. Take your short pin and your roller. Drop it in like that. Go all the way to the right, stick your metal in this way or however you need to do it. And if you got a hook or something, you might want to, if you need to make like a pipe bracket or something, and you got your radius bend on the end, you need a 90 right behind it to make a little tab or something, you just hook that in there and bring it around. So, I don't have a little one, but it's kind of like I did on that end there. Or if you needed to hold something down like that. And just stick your metal in there, if I can get another bite in there. And get your metal in there, make sure it's good and flat. And get your bends. Don't have to go 90. I think you get it. Yeah, should do it on that end of it. Thanks for watching.